Saeed, where are you going?
I'm climbing up this high mountain. Is it video? Oh.
Is that a video?
Yeah. Why can't you walk?
I'm walking, man.
Turn around. Yeah, así. Así me gusta. Así. Así me gusta. Yeah! 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 Así me gusta. Así. Vámonos. Did you hear that? Did you hear that? Did you hear that? Run! Run! Oh, we are going to die! No! No, we are going to die! ¿Cómo fue? Muchachos!
15 minutes.
Hurry up!
Scary movie! Corre!
Help me! Scary movie!
Corre, Shadadi, run! Run! The camera is coming!
You're making noise.
Yes! Alex, how are you feeling?
Good, and you?
Yeah, too. As you see?
Scare moving.
Yeah, it's getting moving, man. There is a big snake after us. Let's run! Hold on. See anaconda. Muchachos, venga. What force do you think this is? What kind of force do you think this is?
Forest of acid rust.
Which kind of movie are you making?
What do you think? What kind of movie? Am I making? Uganda. This is the most risk movie ever.
Right here.
This is the trial.
Yeah. That's so.
See?
There's a leopard chasing me just behind you, so you need to go.
A leopard? Run, muchachos.
We made it. We made it. Yeah.
Aquí estamos. Elvin.
Finally.
Wow. Wow.
I can't move. Someone put me back down.
Yeah, aquí está Saeed again.
Yeah, finally I came here.
Saeed,
So tired.
how was it?
First they gave up, we went back. Then
Wow.
we came.
Go right.
Wow. Victor, ¿cómo se siente? Solo, sí, es verdad. Shadadi, ¿cómo se siente? ¿Cómo lo fue sirviente? Muy malo. ¿Y tú?
The leopard almost killed me.
Kenyans, but you run so fast.
As Kenyans, we were like 1 minute we were here.
1 minute.
Yeah, we are used to this. We are born to do this. Yeah. So it was no
Yeah.
problem for us.
Nice to see.
Like daily bread.
Nice to see you alive, muchachos. ¿Cómo lo fue?
Pura vida, señor. Me está tomando un video, una foto.
Exactamente.
¡Eh, conoce!
Yeah. ¿Cómo lo fue este muy largo ruta?